Hello everybody, I'm the GardenBall125. I haven't uploaded like at all since winter break. I figured I got a new recording device. I have a laptop with it's more of a tablet with a keyboard, but today we were going to be opening up the Guzzlord GX box, my favorite of the Ultra Beasts. And yeah, getting right into the box. Yeah, I'm sorry for the lack of uploading. I can't find time to do anything. And, yeah, this is pretty much all I ever do in my spare time. Buy Pokemon, open Pokemon. The piece itself collides nicely. If I have bad audio, that's on me. Yeah, last thing I opened was the Guzzlord GX box. Here's Guzzlord himself, my favorite Ultra Beast. Alright. Here's the code. So we got Evolutions, we have Crimson Invasion, we have another code, and we have Fates Collide and Burning Shadows. And of course we have the playable card, the regular Guzzlord, regular size. We're gonna start off with Fates Collide. While I open these, I might as well talk about my absence of uploading and stuff. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that. Code 1, 2, 3. We have Wormadam, Zygarde, Almanite, Jigglypuff. Some of these I could recognize, but I'm using the inverted camera, so. Riolu, Bronzor, Deerling, Carbink. The reverse is an Aerodactyl, sweet. And the rare is a Mothim. Alright, not bad, but not too hot in the beginning. Now we'll do Evolutions. Use Mr. Scissors yet again. I like calling him Mr. Scissors. I've been using him since 3rd grade, so I've been using him for 3 years now because I'm in the 6th. Here's the code. I do codes mainly because somebody said no code, then no subscribers. So I need subs. 1, 2, 3. I haven't really opened up that much Evolutions, but we have Porygon, we have Pokedex, we have De-Evolution Spray, Seal, Charmander, yeah, Charmander, Diglett, yep, I missed 2, Drowsy and Caterpie. The reverse is a Metapod, and the rare. They're pretty hot. We have the Mega Pidgeot EX. All hail the Pokemon gods. They have sent me some goodies tonight, even though it's only 2:45. But yeah, we got the Mega Pidgeot. Yeah, last Evolutions pack I opened, I got the 3-attack Mewtwo EX, even though I already had it. Smells like corn dogs in here. And Mom, why does it smell like corn dogs?
What?
Why does it smell like corn dogs?
We're gonna make regular corn dogs.
Oh. And now we're opening up the Burning Shadows. I don't know, I'm not sure how well the laptop is at recording, but here's the code. 2, oh crap. Ow. 3 and 4. Yeah. Got it right. Alright, so we have the Torment Spray, we have Semi-Sage, Curla, the Flaming Energy,
How you doing tomorrow?
Porygon yet again, Maril, Hoot Hoot, Rhyhorn, Ralts. The reverse is a Venipede, and the rare is Araquanid. But yeah, Guzzlord's my favorite Ultra Beast. And over Christmas I got some Elite Trainer boxes. I got a Crimson Invasion one, and I got a secret rare in that. And I opened up the Incineroar Premium Collection box, and there was a secret rare in there. But I'm probably not going to open up Shining Legends for a while, because even though it's like the best pull rate, it hates me. I got so many duplicates, I didn't get any EXs, or GXs I guess, out of like opening 15 packs. Here's the code. Yeah, I'm not opening Shining Legends up for a while, but I'll get back to it sometime.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
We have Chinchino, Grumpig, Emolga, the Fairy Energy. Let me know if I mispronounced something. Mischievous, Cacnea, Alolan Geodude, Stuffle, Pumpkaboo. The reverse is a Chancho, and the rare is a Wigglytuff. But yeah, this is amazing today because we got the Mega Pidgeot. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed today's Pokemon opening. I hope you enjoyed the quality of my new recording device. I'm not sure how it works out. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video. Check out my previous videos, like 2 months ago, being the last one. But yeah, hope you all enjoy. I'll catch you in the next video, whenever that may be. Peace out.